Hi again, welcome to Module 3. This is the first of two modules where we will be looking at environmental degradation caused by the food system. So in this module, you will see there's a short lecture on the leading environmental problems related to the food system. And in that, there's also a discussion of alternatives to the modern food system that we know. And there's included in that is a short discussion on capitalism and how capitalism is forming and shaping the industrial food system as we know it. And then there's also a text provided as well that has that discusses climate change, and then also the economic services that you read about in the Anderson article, and a little bit on the Dust Bowl. So then this week we'll come back together for your assignment. We'll have our first group presentation of an article, and then we will all be joining in to discuss what we read from our group presentation. So good luck and have fun. See you later.